This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 20. Well, issue 20 of pack 6. It's not pack 6. Issue 20 is the build issue. But we're going to have a look through the magazine because this build issue is nothing. There's no building to happen. So let's have a look through this. The 1967 Eleanor Mustang. Obviously, this is the assembly guide. We've done this. If you haven't watched it, then you can go back and watch me build the seat. This issue, we're doing this bit. I say doing it. We're not actually doing anything with it. We've got the start of the frame, start of the chassis, which we're going to be doing things with next time, but not quite yet. So that is all of the building done for this episode. Next time, we're putting a little bit on. And then the time after, we're putting another little bit on. So yeah, very short build series for this entire pack, but all, you know, it's all worthwhile stuff. It's all good stuff to do. Then we're looking at the Eleanor, the car with character, much so. Nice picture there of it as well. Just how we're doing. We've done the front bit. We've got the hood. We're going to be starting the interior very, very soon, I should think. Sway. Yeah, Memphis is True Love. Yeah. Angelina in the film, obviously. Yeah, good, interesting character. Bartender by day, car thief by night. So yeah, there we go. 60-second files, obviously looking at stuff from the film. And then we have, oh, posters. Movie poster or DVD case poster type thing. Nice artwork. Then we've got another couple of cars with girls' names, women's names, sorry. Jessica, that's, we've got one of these from the Fast and Furious collection. Rose, that's quite a nice looking car. What's that? That's, oh, it's Ferrari. Yeah, that's why it's a nice looking car. Oh yeah, is that Magnum's car? Is that from Magnum PI, the original? Is that what he drove? I know it was a Ferrari. It looks very similar to that. I recognise the vents on the side. Could easily be. It might say so in the words. Mustang Fastback in the movies. Different films that it's appeared in by the looks of it. And that is that. Next time, in your next issue, the seat, not the seat back, and more things, and it looks like an axle or some sort of drive shaft there. So yeah, good stuff. A little bit of detail work and then some structural work. What more can you ask for? Certainly nothing more today. Well, you can ask, but you won't get it. That is that. So see you very soon for issue 21, where we're going to be starting putting the framework of the chassis together, like the fuel tank or something. So thank you very much for watching. Apologies, there's no actual building on this issue, but I still rather keep it as a separate issue. So if you want to come back and see what's what, then you know exactly where you've got to come to. So that's that. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for the next part. Bye-bye for now.